From the company WINHUNT, 17-inch pouch on the side, 3, and open areas, 3 on the opposite. It is fabric on the outside in a blue and black. We're going to open up the large zippers. Boating, camping, hiking, automobile, carpentry, anything that you want to put inside is large and has a nice open lip. Lined inside and protected, as you can see. IP rated and weather resistant. Zippers close all the way around. Measures across 17. The height 12 inches and the width about 9.5 inches. For automobile use, to put in clothing, automobile accessories, whatnot. Electricians, carpentry, and more. You're able to put a lot of items inside. And holds just about anything imaginable. Strong and rugged. You're looking for a tool bag for any possible needs. This is a tool bag that you may be looking for. I hope you enjoy your product from WINHUNT. Anything possible you could put in and enjoy your product if this is right for you.